Hello everyone. Today let us see how to prepare simple tomato chutney in mortar pestle or with the help of mortar pestle. Normally we grind it in mixie jars and all, but this is a traditional grandma's recipe. So let us see how to prepare this chutney. First of all, we need tomatoes. Here I have taken Desi tomatoes, 8 in number. Clean it properly, wash it and then chop into fine pieces, and then take 1 tablespoon of jeera or cumin seeds and 10 to 12 chilies and half a medium size of onion, long slit, and then you need 5 to 6 red chili and 15 pods of garlic. Then place a pan on the stove and add 5 tablespoons of oil and add cumin seeds or jeera, garlic and red chili, and then green chili and onions, and then allow them to fry on a medium flame for just 1 minute. After 1 minute, when you see that all these things are fried, now add all the chopped tomatoes into the pan and give it a nice stir and close the lid and allow them to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes cooked on medium flame, you will see tomatoes are turned soft and then the skin becomes smoother. Now this is the time you need to add a little bit of salt, that is salt according to your taste, and then mix it nicely and allow it to cool for another 3 to 4 minutes on low flame, and then put off the stove and then cool the entire mixture. Once you cool the mixture, you take here the mortar pestle, it's also called as hammam dasta. Then you add little by little into the mortar pestle and start grinding it batch wise. You should not overcrowd it, otherwise the tomatoes and onions and chilies that won't get grinded nicely. And one more thing is, if you have observed here, I didn't add any water into this tomatoes, only I have allowed the water from the tomatoes to cook properly. So you need to cook it very smoothly so that it will become easier for us to grind in this mortar pestle. If you want to do the same recipe in a mixie jar, you don't need to cook for a longer time as I have shown here. You can just turn off the flame once the tomatoes turn soft, as I have shown you in the first time. So for doing this chutney in mortar pestle, you need to cook for a long time so that all the ingredients which we have put will turn softer, so that it will become for us easier when we are grinding like this. See, I have added batch wise and then I have started grinding it. You can see this is like kacha bacha only. This is in a coarser manner only. Obviously, when we do it in this mortar pestle, we'll get this coarser texture of chutney. So this is very yummy and tasty. Once you chuck the salt over here, if you want it, you can add it, otherwise done. So that's it, my first batch is ready. So in the meanwhile, you add the second batch and you have to repeat this process until your mixture is all done. So that's it. This tomato chutney, which is done in hammam dasta or mortar pestle, is all ready. You can serve it with hot idly or dosa and you'll just love it. So why always the routine chutneys like peanut chutney or coconut chutney? Try this yummy and delicious and finger licking mortar pestle or hammam dasta tomato chutney. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.